Hi everyone, happy Friday. I want to talk to you a little bit about week 12. It'll be a little different. So first and foremost, the engagement essay. I wouldn't necessarily call this an essay as much as answering questions. So make sure that you have that done within 2 weeks, week 14. I will link that to week 14. And then we have this mini capstone that we're starting, which is a research project. It will require that you use at least 10 sources. And when you click on it, I've discussed every part of it. But I really want you to first concentrate on the proposal part, and that's been discussed in a little clip. This week is called Learning from Failure. We're actually postponing the readings this week, and we will be focusing on this mini capstone. And your discussion for this week will talk about the mini capstone. So I ask that you make your initial post by Wednesday and respond to your peers by Friday. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great week. Also, some of you mentioned in the surveys that you would like to meet to discuss the readings. That being said, none of you really have a time where you can meet. So feel free to reach out to me with questions. If you would like, I could open up a Zoom room if you wanted to drop in with each other, but it seems like you are all super busy. So that's that for that update. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions, and I hope you have a great week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.